Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. A few weeks ago, or a few months ago now, I contacted Dave and said, if you get any rotation coins that you don't need, can you let me know and we'll arrange a exchange or I'll buy one off you. And Dave has had other things on his mind just recently, but says he sent me this note saying, "Hey Steve," or "Hi Steve, sorry it's taken so long to send you this, but I've eventually got round to it. So here is the £2 rotation error I said I'd send you. Sorry again, Steve. Dave NEC." Dave, you have nothing to apologise for. I know you've been having some health issues just recently, and I sincerely hope that you are able to get over them fairly soon. So I have an NEC sticker from Dave that will go into my sticker collection, and this is the £2 rotation error. We have the Queen on that side. So what you do is you get the £2 at the top of the coin, which is there, and then you rotate it, and as you can see the rotation is out by about 5 degrees or so, maybe 10 degrees off the norm. So yes, it is a rotation error. It's the first one that I've got. Dave, thank you so much for doing this. I know you haven't been feeling too well just recently and you're waiting on hospital appointments and all the rest of it, and I'm sure I speak for a lot of the rest of the coin tubers in saying we hope you get better very, very quickly and that you're able to get back to your normal self in a very short period of time. So from me, thank you so much for taking the trouble when you're not feeling too well to get this to me. I do greatly appreciate it, and I do hope that you recover very quickly and that you can get back to your very best. If you wish to and would like to help me say thank you to Dave, could you please go across to his channel, sort of give him a thumbs up and wish him the very best for the future and wish him a speedy and quick recovery. Thank you so much for this, Dave. You didn't have to worry about this. You've got plenty on your plate with your eyesight and your health and trying to get that sorted out. So take care, look after yourself, and I hope you and your family are well. And until I have the opportunity to talk to you again, which I hope will be not too far away, thank you for everything you've done, including this, and get better soon. Okay, having said that, and would you go along from me and go to his site and wish him well and a speedy recovery? If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, thank you for watching, and from me, until we meet up again, bye bye. Ta-da now.